So, most of you already know, I love my AirPods. But the new AirPods 2 were very disappointing. Everything stayed the exact same. They didn't even get the matte black color option that they were rumored to get. So I had a theory. Maybe the black color option was made for the new PowerBeats Pro, and the leaks got it wrong. And they were holding back the craziness just to boost sales for it. The PowerBeats Pro is a pair of totally wireless earphones, aimed to compete directly with the AirPods 2, but for the Pro market. It has the design of the PowerBeats 3, but even with the last cord removed. In this video, we will be discussing the pros and cons of the new PowerBeats Pro. So let's start with the pros first. It comes in 4 different color options, which is 4 more than the traditional AirPod and the AirPods 2. Although the color for the case is the same, if you ask me, it's still pretty cool. It comes in ivory, moss, navy, and black, which looks amazing with the matte black option. They refined the exterior so it should fit more ears than before. But everyone's ears are different, so we'll see about that. It also has sweat and water resistance, and it's about 17% lighter according to Beats. It uses a new upgraded piston driver, so the sound should be better in the bass department, and it creates a seal like the PowerBeats 3, so the sound should be richer as well. The battery life is unbelievable, at 9 hours per earphone, and another 15 hours from the case. But if it dies somehow, you could charge it for 5 minutes and get 1.5 hours worth of battery life. But the good news ends there. The charging case is about 3.5 times larger than AirPods, but that might be responsible for the ridiculously good charging speeds. However, it doesn't come in a true white color option, it doesn't come in a wireless charging case, and it costs 250 United States dollars, 330 Canadian dollars, $350 in Australia, and £190 in England, which may be too expensive for most people who just want a wireless earphone. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one. If you really liked it, maybe press the like button too, because that really helps me. If you have any questions, comment it, and I will respond. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.